here my video.
All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So I just want to share this with us. You know, every day by day we keep on hearing news, different story. Sometimes it's some of the news sounds like continuation of what we already discussed. Some seem to be kind of contradicting what we already know. So, but be it as it may, we are here to digest it properly. And I want to, let you know that our reaction on this video has nothing to do with, to favor anybody or to promote any crime. Please, we are not doing that here. What we do here is to react on issue based on the way it is, without adding anything, without promoting evil or anything as such, but being realistic. So I saw the video. I felt that it's worth sharing. Many of you know what is going on in Okigwe. Some of us don't know. Some of us don't even have the details. I don't have the 100% details or information of what is going on. The only thing that we know or I know is the one that is on social media. So please do me a favor and like this video and share it on any platform of your choice. Try as much as you can to give us your listening ear, and make sure you comment and tell us what you think about what the video is all about. Now, we have seen some people complain that gentle is this, gentle is that. Different liberation army have buy people, they don't buy people, they don't kidnapping, they don't doing this. It did not start today. The US have been saying that for a very long time. I am not here to validate that is true. Neither am I here to say no, that is a lie. Why? Because I am not one, I'm not among. So I cannot tell you what, I cannot swear on something that I don't know about. But we can use what is on social media and the body language of people, what the people are saying, the reaction of different people that may know better than we know, to know if that thing is true or not. Now, there's a story from Okigwe, there's another one from Aroni Zog, there's another one from Ako. All these places are Biafra land, but one thing we know is that in some communities, some people decide to fight their community members or community people, the town people, simply because they have different beliefs. Some believe that Nigeria must be one. Some also don't believe that anything that has to, some don't want anything that has to do with the Biafran Prime Minister. Some don't want anything to do with anything Biafra, if they don't like Nigeria. So our people are confused. Do you understand? So anytime you see people complaining, ask them who are there, reliable to, who are they answerable to? Because I can tell you, everybody have different organ, different balls, who they believe. So you may have different person, different template, different ideology from those that want you to support them. Always ask questions so that you know what you are talking about and what you are, who you are throwing your support to. Now, this young man that you are seeing on the screen is a guy from, he's from Ako. According to him, because some Ako people have come out and begin to call gentle this, gentle that. Which, if you, I don't know if you come across video of gentle recently where he said something that I cannot share. Some of the things he said there, I got war, but I got men, that kind of thing. Somebody that is very, very angry can say anything. And there's a video that have been trending that people say that voice sounds like gentle voice. I don't know, but because of the presence of AI, but that voice sounds like him. And that video is very, very terrible. Now, a lot of people are now trying to buy the idea that it could be true, that he's doing what people are claiming that he's doing. I don't know. I don't hold me on that. I'm not able to tell yes, he didn't know, because I don't have evidence on that. But whoever that is responsible that is engaged in that video, whoever the person may be, you are going to pay. Honestly, it is very, very horrible, very, very bad. Now, this guy decided to make this video for his own people, our people, to tell them what he think that is going on in our community. We that are from outside, our own is to hear, to listen, because honestly, I don't have anybody now. to verify or to say anything. But he called his name, his family name in Aku. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. Just pay attention. Don't be sentimental. Just free your mind and when things were logic.
Ndị Aku ekele m unu. Ndị ihe ọma na-adị mma. Udo ga-adịrị onye chọrọ udo. Udo agakwa na-adịrị onye achọghị udo. Onye na-asịkwa na ọ chọghị udo ya werekwa ala zere mmiri. Ọ dị n'ọfọ. So, my fellow Biafrans, I'm greeting you all, depending on your time zone and where you're watching me from. So, I want to name this video today, especially for Ndị Aku, because Aku is my beloved community. For long, things has been happening over there, but nobody is capable to find out the truth. And why there is truth, everybody was afraid. Everybody is afraid. I risked my life. See now, anything get with two na alak with Ali say who so in this can cover most of the things that may happen nima alak today. Man, first of all, before man agani ahamo Obuano Chebon na Syracuse from Umekegu Amoria Ako Nimo Kigwe State. Popularly known as Sira Boy, the one and only musician and with an alako, Egumun online. So, over the popularly video now go online because of Commander Gentle the Yahoo. I say come put one today, come mend the address on that particular video and to address them on what to do, to tell them that that road that they are following is not a good way for them. Kahama understand Hemegan Limo Budai. Ebano, one of the victims' house of Edia Hono, a terrorist, net terrorize Alak and their lucky. Now, part of the house of Baroko. So today, I am just cannot.
Now, mark this name, Eka Hon. I hope I pronounce it well. Eka Hon. The man is from Ako, but his own role is to bring government to eliminate any suspect. Honestly, some of our people are very mad. Now, just pay attention, please. I just want you to know that. Just remember the name, okay?
Here, my video. Here, my video. So that everything in Neku. I'm doing it with my evidence. Edia Hona Hayawo Eguomu Onya Dekachi. Oh, Onyako. DSS Konano. Oh, no, the just also DSS. Mano a messenger, na DSS. Just a messenger. Order can any manner. Any say order. Or will say order and any ability may be so budine in the name of one Asachi, gentle. Mana, since that time, terrible thing has been happening in my community. We have lost so many people. We have been looking for so many people. We have lost so many souls because of the activities of this young man, Edia Hono, DSS. Actually, I'm calculating again today. Whatever I been say, I'm a Sira boy. I'm going to get money because I must speak the truth. Let the world hear me. This video can just call the attention of the whole Igbo land, the whole world, to know what is really happening. That propaganda video and propaganda statements and comments I make about Commander Gentle the Yahoo is a lie, typical lie. If you think that you are speaking the right and all the allegation on a book Commander Gentle is truth, prove your evidence. I have my own evidence. This area Honu so many people in my village, which anytime Ozoro, say on Abia war, many people gave, which we don't know where they used to go. Man, some people are go, which we have noticed that they are really dead. They are no more again. So here now going today, couldn't get on to chanting of Mandia. Some of you Amaho Ebemirisipano because so many of you have been confused, have been deceived. Because you people don't really know what is going on. These people are using us to find their own personal interests, but we don't know. This is the time for us to stand and reason think on what to do. Edi ahonu, your activities ebugo so many souls n'obodo anyị. O nwere one voice note trend of ma n'ime akụ imere si any day ị chọrọ ya wugodi na ọwa onye ara wurugodi na ọwa onye isi adịghị ma wurugodi old man or anybody gentle ugburu n'ala akụ, which he has not been killing anybody. Mana esi na onwe anybody ugburu n'ala akụ that you will come for revenge. Since I have been monitoring, I have been investigating, I have been checking to know whether we look for any souls again. But no. Eri dugom huna anytime e biara war kpọrọ ndị Fulani eyiri uniform bata n'obodo anyị bịa mebi isi anya. So many souls na-anwụ, so many souls na-efu, so many people ka a na-achọgide abịa chọpụta na ha nwụgo. Ndị akụ achọrọ m ka unu gee m ntị. O nwekwana ihe ọzọ mere eji achọgharị nwoke ka egbuo, ọkwanị maka nwoke wee nye eziokwu, ndị aga m na-ekwu ya. First of all, ndị akụ tiri m 1/3 because na akụrụ m egwu title, I titled the song Freedom. Oh, Biafran song.
If that is the case, that means the hatred about anything Biafra has been there. Even if I work a colleague like Biafra, I'm here wanted. If you went there, you never be ready. All these things, something I don't normally, drive joy, play this kind of video, but I have to listen.
I've been performing the song countless times, both on my TikTok accounts. It's online. All he managed to mana. Nevertheless, I got when Marco says open new, I got when Marco see me, the good work on now. So I chom can diak with Timbo Wanine, Zamajua, Mandian Nakwisha Hana Ebu, more gentle Buha. Edia Hono, this last war Ekabera, last week, Ibaburu, if I Okori entire we, or gentle Buria. Iburu, my brother, Anakbo, Sunday, Uzokwe, innocent, Goro Tongo, Omonya Mahana Lako, Iburia, Iburu Munye, Ijoma, Uzokwe, Iburu Beke, no fishing, Kena Chocha, Omonya Beke, ice cream. Iburu one name Sunday, Waswara, Omonya Mahaswara, Iburu Chinwa. Iburu, a young virgin candidate to Nalako, Lima Moria, and Akpo Favor. Iburu that girl. Many of them, Iburu, so many souls, up to 50, which Mandin Cheteguru, Mandime Chete. Iburu no. Promise says, one ne, senior brother gentle the Yahoo, or Iburia. Iburu.
And this video has been shared by anything who go 247. Are you getting it now? Anyway, let's continue. Okay, for some of our people are very bad. Why you search everywhere? You believe?
So many people who nature like this. Anyamira and Abam. A young boy, you see, Newi Bata. Kobenyan and Mayaka Kotonubu. Because Ebona on your leave Yabata. 18 years, give Babuya. It's not a terrorist. Name your own town, name your own village. All the whole houses was burnt down because our house, my father built that house when he was still at the age of 23. Because that time, when the village everybody will come and help you. As Oraga Jared, whatever go free. Everybody share my father built that house, but we burnt it down with all the property non-immediate. None of our property was brought out. So here can I na edia onu iji ndị Fulani in army uniform were gbuo nwanne m nwoke dede Igburu Amaka Ajueke Igburu ya Igburu so many people Igburu Oko so many people are as in ha enweghị any problem Igburu ha ihe na-achọ ime ka mba ụwa niile mara na ebubo niile a na-ebo Gentle the Yahoo wa asị ome nke mere eme. Gentle is a good man that is protecting our land Biafra. And has nothing to do or to hurt his people in any way. Here we say ndini kwesịrị ịmara we jikwa na ohere na akpọkọ the whole world mba ụwa with ndị Igbo niile ka ha banyere anyị aka na anyị afụgo a lot of things na-agba anyị anya mmiri, ka ha werekwana mara na ọ nwanne anyị nwe ka edi ahụ ọnụ nke DSS wee onye na-eji ndị Fulani in military uniform wee na-abịa egbu every young youth nọ n'Ọkigwe na-terrorize everywhere, wee the allegation na-ebunye n'isi gentle. Everybody have been seeing it. The truth is finally out. So I'm here to expose it more so that it will go more viral. Only one through the video today. Keep sharing so that.
Now the man called Eddie Agwon, the person from the same community. Look at his picture here. This man on suit. He's the one. And I think there's another order of his picture. Yeah. Look at it, this man. According to the guy, according to the video, see the man here. Anyway, my people, you know how I feel about this kind of thing, because this is not the first time, it's not the second time, it's not going to be the last. People are going to sabotage, people are going to cause nuisance, create problems that will actually lead to people's life. It is going to happen, and it will still continue to happen, because there's no plan to stop it. That's why they don't want USB government, because they want to control this way. If you don't know, many of them love to control this way. That's why they don't want to be obedient or to follow the government structure, because they believe that they can just wake up one day and take a decision and get away with it. You are calling DSS and army to your people. I don't know. It's up to him. But at least people from his community and the one man calling everybody's attention on him and his activities. Please like if there's what you think about it. Share it on any platform of your choice. God bless you, and bye-bye for now. Take care.